Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional LinkedIn profile in 2025. Whether you are looking for a job, building your network, or growing your personal brand, stick with me for the next 7 minutes and you will have a LinkedIn profile you can be proud of. Let's jump right in. LinkedIn is bigger than ever with over 1 billion users in 2025. It's the has one place for professional networking, job searching, and even getting freelance opportunities. And the truth is, your LinkedIn profile is often the first impression you make, whether it's to employers, clients, or collaborators. So let's make it count. First impressions matter. Here's what you'll need. Use a high quality headshot, dress professionally or appropriately for your industry. Smile naturally, look approachable, confident, and trustworthy. For the banner, use something clean and simple, maybe a branded graphic and inspiring quote on or an image related to your industry. Just search for LinkedIn on your browser. You can create a free banner using Canva in just a minute. So click login and sign up or sign up button. Then click sign in or join now button. Enter your email. I will use temporary mail for this tutorial. Or you can also use your Google account or Microsoft account. Just continue with Google or with Microsoft. Now copy the email address, enter strong password and click agree and join. Enter first and last name like that. Then continue. Then complete the verification. Helping marketing assistant, helping brands grow through creative digital marketing strategies. Content creator, highlight what you do, how you add value. You have 220 characters, use them wisely. The about section is your story, make it count. Go back to your view profile section. Now add profile section. Now set up your all about your account, like add about, then describe yourself. Like, I am a passionate software developer helping startups build scalable apps with 5+ years of experience. I specialize in React, Node.js, and AI solutions. Always open to new challenge and collaborations. Feel free to connect. Now list your experiences clearly, like job title, company name, dates worked, brief description of what you accomplished, Increased website like increased websites traffic by 70% in 6 months through SEO and paid campaigns. Focus on results, not just tasks. Also add skills. LinkedIn lets you add up to 50 in your top three skills that you want to be known for. From here you can showcase your portfolio, articles you have written, projects you are proud of. Also, if you have qualifications, especially LinkedIn Learning, Google, Microsoft, or other industry recognized ones, add them under license and certifications. Last step, grow your presence. Content with classmates, colleagues, industry peers, peers. Send a quick personalized message with your connection request. Ask for skill endorsement and endorse others too. Post content, share your insights, thoughts, wins, lessons learned once or twice a week. It keeps your profile active and boosts visibility. And there you have it. That's how you create a professional eye-catching LinkedIn profile in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more career and personal branding tips, and drop a comment if you want a free LinkedIn checklist. Thanks for watching.